means to me personally is that, you know, my family's been here since the 1850s on both sides. We love the nature, we love the parks. You know, Florida was a wild place once that people did not think could be tamed, but obviously you see a lot of people here. We might not seem tame, we probably aren't that tame, but we embrace that uniqueness, we embrace being wacky, and we love the nature here, we love our state parks, we're passionate about it. We want to keep Florida wild, and like I said, if you're ever leaving Florida, take a developer with you.
Amazing. That's happening right after we finish the evading arrest obstacle course at the end of the night. Locally sourced pong water, by the way. This reminds me of late nights in the dorms. That's right. I like to say, I think everyone...
He decided to come all the way from Arizona and Colorado to have fun with the rest of the Floridians.
Yee. We just like having a good time, you know, riding the gators and drinking the beer, and it's just a grand old time.
There is such a thing.
Just being free. I think what represents this is being free, freedom, having drinks with your friends, your possums, your iguanas, your gators, just having a good time. I think that's what Florida stands for.
Inverness, let's get this thing going. Competitors, are you ready?
They look ready. They look ready.
Let's do the owners, Wicks.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
I don't think they're done, Jake. I want to let them fight it out. There it is. There it is. For the after it there.
Well, first off, to answer the second part, the meaning of Florida Man, freedom, live your life, have fun, enjoy every moment, and that's what this is about. Coming back, that's simple. You know, regardless of what it is, it could be baseball, golf, basketball, it's a sport, and we're men, we're competitive. We want to defend that title, represent our city. That's the sumo guy.
This is our pool noodle man. Also a fit.
Look, yes, I like that, Justin.
Unbelievable. So we got Justin, the big man.
You have so much stress in life. You got so much garbage day in, day out with politics and, you know, all the other nuances going on in the world. This right here, this allows people to just be people. You know, no one cares what you dress like, what you look like. We're here having fun. You hear the music, you see the people, you see all the stuff that they're wearing. This is all about expression and just living your life.
We're about to have an old-fashioned David and Goliath match right here. Word on the street is the big guy.
I told him I had to be up here.